Hello everyone, my name is Rituddin, and let's talk more about artificial intelligence today. Today we're focusing mainly on reasoning and what that means. I currently have a cold, so excuse my voice, but other than that, I will once again, as usual, have the videos where I got most of my information from, linked down below in the description. But without further ado, let's get started. So, artificial intelligence has come a long way in just a few years. What if I told you that AI's biggest breakthrough isn't just about bigger models and more data, but about how AI thinks? Today, we're diving into the evolution of AI, the secret ingredient behind the next wave of progress, and why the future might be closer than you think. So, let's get started. If we could sum up AI's progress in one word, it would be scale. Over the past 5 years, AI models have gotten better, not because they're fundamentally different, but because we've thrown more data and more computing power at them. Think about this. Back in 2019, GPT-2 cost about $5,000 to train. Fast forward to today, and the cutting edge models cost hundreds of millions of dollars. But here's the big question. Can we just keep scaling forever? At some point, the cost becomes unsustainable. Are we really going to train models that cost billions or even trillions of dollars? That's where some researchers thought AI might hit a wall. But here's the twist, a breakthrough idea is changing the game currently. So, to understand this properly, let me take you back to a real life AI experiment, which is poker. So, poker isn't just luck, it's strategy. Imagine playing against a machine that has practiced for a trillion hands, like trained on thousands of CPUs for months. That sounds unbeatable, right? Well, in 2015, an AI faced off against four of the world's best poker players in an 80,000 hand match. And guess what? It lost. Really badly. But here's what made the difference. Humans took their time to think. That's the key part right there. Especially for tough decisions. Meanwhile, the AI made its choices instantly, every single time, without a fail. And this is where we come to a fascinating concept from psychology, thinking fast and slow. So there's two types of thinking. There's system one thinking, which is fast, intuitive, and automatic, which is like recognizing a face. And then the system two thinking, which is slow, deliberate, and logical, like solving a complex math problem. The artificial intelligence only had system one, but humans relied on both. So researchers had a bold idea. What if the AI was allowed to think slower when necessary? The results were staggering. After the poker AI's failure, researchers redesigned it from the ground up, but this time incorporating System 2 thinking. So in 2017, they ran the experiment again with a new AI against the top players again. This time, the AI didn't just win, it dominated. It won by such a margin that even professional gamblers stopped betting against it. But here's the kicker, giving the AI just 20 seconds to think made as much as difference as scaling the model by 100,000 times. So let me just repeat that once again. Just slowing down made the AI perform as if it had been trained 100,000 times longer. Really mind blowing if you think about it. So, this principle isn't just limited to poker. Deep Blue, the first AI to be a chess world champion, didn't play instantly. It took its time. AlphaGo, the AI that shocked the world by beating Go champion Lee Sedol, also relied on thinking for minutes per move. And researchers found a consistent pattern. If an AI takes 10 times longer to think, its performance improves just as much as if you had made it 10 times bigger and trained it 10 times longer. So, what does this mean for the future of AI? Until now, progress has been about scaling up, so building bigger, more expensive models. But now we have a new lever, scaling out through system 2 thinking. So instead of spending billions on training, what if we just let AI take its time and reason? And this isn't just theoretical. OpenAI has already released a preview of O1, a new AI model designed to think before responding. DeepSeek has the R1, Gemini has 2.0 Flash Thinking, Anthropic has their Claude 3.7 Sonnet. and XAI has a Grok 3, all with some sort of reasoning built into their AI. So if a question is easy, it answers quickly. But if it's hard, it takes its time, just like humans would do. And the results? Some researchers say that it's saved them days of work. And that's just us getting started. Now, let's take this concept even further. If AI can slow down and think strategically, what else can it do? So imagine an AI that isn't just a chatbot or an assistant, but also a full fledged researcher. One that can design experiments, simulate scientific discoveries, or even collaborate with human experts to solve complex global challenges like global warming or something of the sort. Beyond just reasoning, AI is moving toward a future where it works with us, not just for us. We've already seen instances of AI assisted coding, AI powered medical diagnostics, and AI systems that generate new scientific hypotheses. What happens when AI and humans team up? We accelerate progress in ways never seen before. So, in the future, it won't just be the bad things about AI happening right now. Well, I mean, I'm sure that'll continue to exist, obviously, but it'll also be about AI augmenting our current capabilities. So imagine that an AI can help you write, brainstorm ideas, or even collaborate on the next great invention. The future isn't necessarily decades away, it's already starting. We're in the midst of working on it. For years, the AI revolution has been all about bigger models and more data, but this is not sustainable, as we've covered. The next big leap for us is about creating smarter AI that knows when to slow down and think. And what's the best part about this? We're just at the beginning of it all. So for everyone saying that AI progress will plateau, there's very evident proof that that's not the case as of yet. So with all that said, I have based most of my thoughts and information in this video on three separate YouTube videos that I will have linked below. One by Christopher Manning, a Stanford professor, one by IBM Technology, and one by Noam Brown in during a TED Talk. So I'll have those linked down in the description of the YouTube video as usual. That's it from me though. My name is Dean once again, and I am signing out.